So today, we're gonna show you how we use Vitality Sen on our discus tank every time we're doing water change. So this is a daily maintenance for discus. Syempre, you need to get all the poops. Vacuum nyo kasi usually ang dumudumi sa aquarium natin is the flooring. So it's important na binvacuum nyo lahat ng poops or any durog na pagkain na naiwan at hindi nakain ng fish natin. So, apart from vacuuming, you also need to scrub yung flooring. So, on our daily maintenance, floor lang yung ni-scrub namin. Pero for weekly, we also scrub yung the entire tank. Kasi yung discus is very prone to sickness. Ayaw nila ng high bacteria load. So, nililinis din namin yung salamin at least daily, yung front lang. And then, dahil half na yung water or 40%, 30% na yung water, ipo-pour lang namin yung Vitality Sen sa sump. So, usually, ginagawa ko siya kapag nagpo-pour na ako ng water. Inuuna ko na yung ating Vitality Sen. So, filling up na at they're eating. That's it. Bye-bye.